Hi everyone, it's Josh and Charlotte. We're doing our first new home construction tour. We're here in Midlothian, just south of Mansfield, touring MI Homes. Come and see this beautiful home with us. Are you sure? I know, and I left the folder by the door, very concerned. Here we go, we've got our name badge and everything. Come take the tour with us. Let us know what you think. Oh, the doors are open. Oh no. Yeah, oh boy. Hey, are you locking me in? Hey. What are you doing? Bed. Nope, we're not getting on the bed. Nope, come on. Let's see the other rooms. Bed. No, we can't get on the bed. Nope. Sorry. No, we're not gonna get on the bed. Hey, are you closing the doors on me again? What are you doing, Charlotte? I'm gonna make it through. What are you doing? Are you a frog? Ribbit, Ribbit, are you a frog?